Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add neon light glow effect on button in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So this is our button and we are going to add neon light glow effect on button. So we select button already and then you see advanced, so click on it. So we are going to add custom CSS and then scroll down, you see custom CSS and we are using Elementor Pro plugin. Now click on it and then we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see glow effect added on button in Elementor Pro WordPress and then you see selected color. So you can add color scheme according to requirement. And then you see selector A, text shadow, box shadow, transition box, 2 seconds. So you can adjust numbers according to requirement and then click on update. Now you see glow effect added on button. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. And then you see button, neon light glow effect on button added by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.